Uh, okay, I'll go to screen share. Have you seen the screen now? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yeah,
Okay, did you hear me now?
yeah,
Okay. Have you seen the screen as well?
Yeah, we can see. We can see.
Okay. So before we'll go to this, SAS best tips for first, we know the four types of variable available in SAS. Okay, so in sticks, the types of variable.
um, okay.
Okay. So uh, number one, it's nominal. Number two,
एक मिनट सर होल्ड कीजिए.
uh, number two ordinal. Okay, number three, interval. Number four is ratio. The example of nominal variable like
This is what?
nominal. So nominal means like you have some identity. Okay. So this kind of variable are
अच्छा what है?
nominal. Huh?
ये क्या
Uh,
है? कौन सा चैप्टर है?
yeah, states.
ये तो गौरव भी नहीं पढ़ा है ये.
Hmm?
ये तो कोई पढ़ा नहीं है.
ना मुझे तो उतने पता है, गौरव ने मुझे पढ़ाया था. So
अच्छा.
when you go with this, first is nominal and type of variable are name, sex, gender, religion, nationality, etc. So this, I mean, the variable which have, I mean, identity. Okay. First kind of variable are like nominal, like name has identity, then sex is identity, gender is identity. Okay, sex, gender, same thing. You can put anyone. So religion, nationality, etc. Okay, country, you can say which country. So these are uh, nominal variables. Now come to next ordinal. Ordinal is also like identity is coming here. Identity variable, identity, then rank. Rank like position. Okay, then academic career, record. So such kind of variable are called ordinal. Next, we'll go to interval. Interval, I can use identity, fine, rank, So these are interval. Like there's a rank also. Like there's interval in 1, 2, 4. Like 1, 2, 3. There's also interval in between. But one thing is always remember: rank may not be a zero. It doesn't have any 0 point in interval. Fine. Again, I'm going to ratio part. Ratio is identity. Identity include ratio, then you can put rank, then equal intervals. But the equal interval start with 0 also in here. Uh, Here it start with 0 also. So these are these are four types of variable available in states. So wherever you can go, you can find only this four kind of variable. Okay. So before we going to see, uh, going to proceed. Uh, the proc frequency is mainly study for distribution of discrete categorical value. Distribution of discrete categorical value. Or not variable, it's a variable. Categorical variable like sex, is not age, sex, you know, uh, nationality, whatever. Okay. Now, generally we used to proc frequency used to uh, proc frequency is used to perform the chi-square test. Chi-square test. Okay.
What is this?
Chi-square test.
Oh, chi-square. It's a square spelling wrong here.
And guys, if you go to what is chi-square test, just second Google. Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
it's a Google पे देख लेना.
Sir.
Okay. Generally, what we can use to why we are using chi-square test? Chi-square test is mainly used to test the relationship between two categorical values. Fine. The category in the sense like sex, like egg level, this is categorical value in ethnic table you can see. Okay. So the chi-square used to test the relationship between two categorical value. Now how we can test the historical test? First we can do null hypothesis. So here specify the null hypothesis. Is null hypothesis is not. Is not.
HO.
Yeah, H4 is not whatever is 0. And alternative hypothesis is 1. Or you can say it's A. So here what I can put, it's not, no relation between the two. No relation, no relation between the two variables. Okay. Let's note the two variables. It's A or H1, whatever. There is a relationship between the two variables.
There's a relation between two variables.
Uh-huh.
There's a relationship between two variables, right?
Yeah. There is a two variable and one is no relation between two variables. Now how we can predict the result? So whether it is a relationship or not. So this is all depend on the probability. Okay, now further we have to, then after that we can establish the significance level. Okay. I'll send it in, I'll send the notes to you guys. This one. So what is the significance level may depend on alpha.
You send the note, right?
हाँ
आप नोट ये भेज देंगे.
हाँ ये मैं भेज दूंगा.
तो मैं नोट में लिखा था भाई द वे नोटपैड में.
Okay, this is well on alpha. So I think this is alpha. You can you know the alpha symbol, no? So I think here I can put alpha symbol. How can put alpha symbol? I don't know. Uh, Alpha symbol is not available in the system. Okay, there's alpha symbol. So here, instead of alpha, I can put A as a shortcut for alpha. Okay, I put here. By A, fine. So A can be in between 1% to 1%, 5%, or 10%. This is by default. By default value, okay. So by default, we can take alpha value is 5%. By default, alpha is 5%. Fine. Now, if you can say A equal to alpha, then confidence levels of a test is 95%. Okay, similarly, if A equal to, you can put A equal to 3%, confidence level, I can put CL level is 97%. A equal to 1%, then CL level is 99%, and if it is 10%, A equal to 10%, then confidence level is 90%. Now, higher the alpha value, the higher the quality of, you can say, test, lower the alpha. For higher risk, lower the alpha. So generally for banking and this one, the common level is 5%, 5 to 1 in between. Okay. So now how can check with the chi-square value probability? How can check the chi-square value? To build the model. So if p value, and it is the most important part, if p value is less than alpha, okay, that is 5%. Then we can say alpha is 5% by default. That is point 0.05, isn't that's 5%. Okay. Then we can say null hypothesis. Null hypothesis rejected. Okay. This first condition. So when alpha is less than 5%, then null hypothesis is rejected. When p value is less than 5%. So when p value is greater than 5%, then null hypothesis is accepted. If p value is greater than 5%, p value is greater than alpha, that is 5%, then null hypothesis is accepted. So when we this is the null hypothesis, then our analysis starts. Or you can say there is a relationship between the two variables. And when we accept the null hypothesis, when there is no relationship there is no relationship there is no relationship between the two variables. So when we prove that there is no relation between two variables, then we can say that that means we have to, when you do analysis, we have to prove that there is no relation between two variables. This is our main motto. Okay, so alpha values should be greater than, or probability values should be greater than alpha value 5%. Fine. So now I'll start the analysis. Okay, that's a very simple. I took the data, just copy
Wait.
egg level, paste. Now it is very simple, but you have to remember theory. So proc frequency I'm using proc freq data equal to I can put admit. I want to see the relation between two variables. What I can do? See, without putting this, there is might be there asked. You can do analysis. So this is, you can see high, low, and mode. You can see their cumulative frequency. By default, see, they might be asking me interview questions. What is the purpose of table in proc frequency? Okay, we have a keyword they asking in the interview. For what purpose you are using table word in the in proc freq? So either proc freq we can find it. We can find a cumulative frequency, cumulative percent. Okay, this number of observed frequency 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. So here also you can find. Okay, but when we are using, so you can find all the generally by default you can find the frequency, percent, and
Just show the editor window again.
uh-huh.
Editor window.
See, editor window is a proc freq data equal admin. I just use simple.
Yeah, okay. I thought you had written some other.
So
Out here you can put tables and all, right? Mention if you want, right?
table I didn't mention. Table mainly use table word use when we do analysis the data. By default, it will get the frequency, percent, cumulative frequency, and cumulative percent. So what is cumulative frequency? Is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 like this will get it. So this is by default result. You can find. So proc frequency mainly used for, first you should remember it is used for categorical data set to take all the categorical percentages. It doesn't take any value that's related to like a numeric. So high, low, and mode is also a categorical value. Okay, here is 7, 14, 21. Now I do analysis between, is there any relationship between the sex and egg level, because in this table if you see there is two categorical value, one is sex and one is egg level. So I want to see is there any relation between these two or not. Fine. Now when I do proc freq if I fail to admit I'm using variable function. I'm using table, not variable. I'm using table function. Table. I take the data set name. What is this? Uh, say sex tech level into sex. Okay, run. Hello, 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 hello. Guys, hear me?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, see now this is I'm using. I want to see the relation between the two variables. I just run the program. You can see this is the analysis they have done. Okay, this is a one-way table. You can say now how it's work. You can see if I use table, see this is how it calculated. So you can see frequency percent, row percent, this column percent, table of act level by sec. You do sex as well. Okay, it analyzes both sex and then. So first see this one 4 3. So first was calculated 19.05. This divided by this. This 21 divided by 4. Okay, sorry, 4 divided by 21. We'll got 90.0%. Okay, this also calculate based on that. 3 divided by 21, you'll get 14.29%. Fine. And this 57 will 4 divided by 7, you'll get 57.1. And this 3 divided by 7 is 42.86. And the last one is uh, 4 divided by 11, and this 3 divided by 11. 3 divided by 10. Okay? And this is the same thing. And this for all this is same. This 7 7 7 is 30 30 30 is 21. 100% this. And this is this divided by this 11 divided by 21 and 10 divided by 21. So this is how they calculate. Fine, it is clear now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Clear, Buddha.
Okay, fine. Now still we do not know is there any relationship between variable or not. Okay, this simple analysis we did. Now if you want to see is there any relationship between variable or not, I can use chi-square test here. Correct? Chi-square test. Okay, it will tell you is there any differences or not. Just click. You can see chi-square is 2 is degrees of freedom 2. Here you can see the value. This is probability. Now here on you can see the probability value. Okay. So this is greater than 5%. So it will prove that there is a no relationship between the two variable. And I taught you what is I taught you that if p value is less than 5%, then null hypothesis is rejected. So in that case, what is we when again this is second. In second we write if p value is greater than 5% and null hypothesis accepted. So in that case we accept the null hypothesis. Why? Because it is greater than 5%. It is probability is 8 to 6, isn't it? But here you can see warning given 100% of the cells have expected count less than 5. So chi-square may not be valid test. So when you see this message, okay, when you do analysis, then we after then we go to Fisher test. This clear, Siddharth?
Yeah. Sir, can you repeat again?
See, when you see this warning, 100% of all the cells have
Uh,
expected count less than 5. So
okay.
chi-square may not be a valid test. For this, chi-square is not a valid test because you can see in high In female there is 4, in male there is 3. So each cells have a 4 observation and there is 3 observation. So if each cells have more than 5 observations, then your chi-square test will be valid.
If
Fine.
it is below 5, then it will be valid.
Yeah, if it is equal to 5 or greater than 5, or if
Okay,
less
got
than
it.
5, it is not valid. See here 4, here 4, here 4, 3,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
3, 3, 4. Fine. This is the frequency, it's the number of frequency. Fine.
Yeah.
So in that case, if you get this message, we remember when you get this message, then we are using a Fisher test. Now we'll go for Fisher test. Same thing here, we will get it. 100% of cells have expected count less than 5%. Chi-square may not be a valid test. So what I can do, I'll go with Fisher test now.
Got it.
Okay, I just put Fisher.
Okay, what do you want?
Now here you can see
To freezer.
see here, this is Fisher exact test. Their probability is 0.1216. Fine. This clear. That is
Yeah, clear,
hello.
Deepak.
Okay. You heard you since it's 0.1216. That means which is greater than a 5%, isn't? Or alpha is how much? Is equal to 5, less than or greater than 5%. So this is around 12 per, that is say 0.1216. So it's greater than 5%, isn't? It is 0.12% you can say. Okay, which is greater than alpha value. In that case, we say that what we can do when alpha is greater, we accept the non-hypothesis, and we can say there is no relationship between the two variables. If alpha value is less than 5%, so we reject the null hypothesis. Again, we do analysis. Again, we do the same. Okay, for this, again we do the same thing. We do all the tests for what we have done. All these two tests. Okay, we taking different variable. Till that we're not getting. Uh, till that we're not getting.
What you told that it's universally accepted, right? Universally accepted. If there are less than 5,
Ha.
uh, universally, right?
Yes.
Acha, acha, okay.
So based on that we can see the result. That is how we analyze this. So there is no, this means that null hypothesis is greater than 5% or probability greater than 5%, then we accept the null hypothesis and there is no relation between two variables. And when probability value is less than 5%, then we accept the null hypothesis. So we reject the null hypothesis and again we do analyze. Again we do it a different variable. Okay, in a table there is more than two categorical variables. We can do one by one. Till we analyze, till we doesn't show that there is a no relation between two variables. Fine. So this is our proc frequency, how to analyze it using chi-square test and Fisher test. Okay. This clear now?
Yeah, clear, Deepak.
Okay. This is actually how to analyze this, and that's now we can go with
What is the criteria?
the criteria already written here. Based on that, you can find the result. Okay, this is the main thing.
Hello.
Hello. See, this is the main thing you
In
have to learn.
Fisher, what is the criteria?
Sorry?
Hello.
Tell me.
The Fisher में criteria क्या है?
See, there
What
is
is the
nothing.
criteria in Fisher?
No, whatever chi-square features, probability value should be greater than 5%. This 5% is universal for both the tests. Okay? Always
Okay.
remember. You understand now? For Fisher test also,
Okay.
but when Fisher test
Okay.
we are using when you get a message, this one. This one, when you got this message, then we are using Fisher test. Okay. Warning 100%
Okay.
cells have accepted count less than
After
5.
that, we should use Fisher test. After
Yeah.
implementing.
Yeah, when you get this message, okay?
Okay. Okay.
And it's clear now.
Yeah, warning is in blue but
Uh-huh.
warning blue में है, red में नहीं है लेकिन.
Warning, but you got this message. This is not like error. This is
Yeah, yeah, got it.
this is message given by the statics. If the
Yeah.
is count more than 5, then chi-square is flexible. Again, chi-square test we are using. If it is less than 5, we are not using chi-square. We directly go to Fisher test. So what you will be analyzing, first you do chi-square test, then after that you go to Fisher test. Fisher test is called Fisher exact test also. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
So these are chi-square tests, and we do more analyzing proc frequency. That's it is how to take two-dimensional table, three-dimensional table, and frequency. Okay. Uh,
Three-dimensional table.
ah, you can see this is already two-way table we are in this one. This one already two-way table. These are two-way table. Okay. Fine. So here, if I use three-dimensional table, okay, I should have one more star you can give. I can say H. Control J. This is the analysis. Mainly, this is the main thing how to analysis. But the remaining here how to create two dimensional freedom I taught you. Control second put to control V. So I can put here one more say H. So this is a see. This is three dimensional table. Okay. So first they do analysis for high level with H, and second they do analysis with low level, and for the last with mode level. So this is three dimensional table. So this is dimension mainly you put star. This dimension will create by using star. Okay. First this is two dimension. This is three dimension. Fine. So this is how to create three dimensional table. Now here you can see if I use options like Siddharth,
Yes, sir.
you start yesterday I sent the file you got it.
Yeah, yeah,
So there you can see I use
yeah.
this
Sir,
one.
sir, yesterday which I saw, hello,
Sorry.
yesterday जो आप फाइल भेजे थे ना,
हाँ
उसमें ये जो ये एम फाइल कहाँ बना?
M file
कनेक्ट टू एसक्यूएल एक्सेल बनाए थे ना?
हाँ तो M file में क्या मैं सेव करके रखा था तो प्रैक्टिस करने में ओके फाइन हियर
क्या
आई
क्या?
देखता हूँ देखा
हेलो
वेलोसिटी
सर, अच्छा
Okay, now suppose I need to create a separate data set in proc frequency.
फिर एक्सेल आप पहले से ही बनाए थे एम फाइल
हाँ हाँ हाँ,
अच्छा
बना के मैंने ये किया था. So I want to take a separate file. Here we can use count equal to x, or we can create a separate data set in uh, SAS. Okay. Now here I can use no call option. You see no call option is what? We put no call, no row,
या दो कॉलम
and just no call, no column x. No call means no column, no row,
या
and no percent. No percent. I'm using this. See, previously what you can see, the same three-dimension table, this one, will show a difference. See here you can see frequency percent, call percent, row percent, call percent is it, and percent. So if I don't
या
want this one, I then I am using. If I don't want, I am using this one. No call, no row, no percent. That means I don't want this one. Okay. So if I display this program, see here, see it is not coming. It is no call, no row is not coming. Fine. We'll get a three-dimension table. Okay. Based on X level. Fine. It is clear now.
या
Okay. And here see the data set is created like this. These are data set.
एक मिनट चाहिए सर या
So these are data set I created X. So here count equal to X. This create a new data set. They'll take a percentage of total frequency, frequency count, age, and sex and X levels. Okay.
ओके
So fine. So this is about proc frequency we are using. Now we'll go to
या
proc univariate. So proc univariate is the most important when there is when you use proc univariate when there is a continuous variable, okay, or data is continuous. So I'm
या
using proc univariate.
So one thing I need to ask.
Okay.
Hello.
Tell me.
The first you wrote about those four things: interval, ratio, identity, and all. Okay. तो उसके बाद सर proc frequency comes into which like
Uh,
किस पे आता है?
proc univariate when there is a categorical value. I already mentioned.
नहीं सर ऊपर
Tell me.
ऊपर कीजिए. Yes sir. Types of जो type है ना ये सब can be applicable in every.
You can say first one nominally.
Okay okay.
So this is all are coming. If there is category in a rank also you can use. If there's a group category group wise we can use proc frequency as well. But generally if we are using name and sex like religion, nationality, act level is a word, isn't? So proc univariate can is used to study the distribution of continuous variable. Okay, proc univariate is used to say distribution of continuous variable. So continuous means
What
like,
is it?
huh?
What is continuous variable?
Continuous variable like say weight, height is a number. Continuous. Here we can see here we can use weight and height. We can use age. Isn't these are continuous variables? Fine. Isn't these are continuous variables? Age,
Yeah.
okay, date, height, and weight. But these are all continuous variables. But these are categorical. Stack is categorical. Then for the purpose we are using frequency and proc anyway to find the this one. We do analysis on age and like continuous variable like age, height, and weight. Okay, fine. So now this is most important proc univariate. This syntax is very simple. Proc univariate data equal I can put admin. Okay, here I can put say graph. I can put dot normal. Okay. I'm using so variance value analysis on the particular video like this. Okay, I put histogram. Done. Comma, I can put normal. So here normal and like so here I can put some see fill color, filter color. That should be red. I can put here and this normal. Done. This proc univariate. Now see if I run this. Now see here you can find the result. And this is when I'm using this. By default, what are things we find? The proc innovate is the only you can say is the mm, only word for a proc innovate. You can find all the statistics result. See, first you can find n is number of observation. Mean you can find standard
Yeah.
deviation. You can find skewness. You can find
Out
uncorrected
of the
as yeah uncorrected as you can find.
Even,
Can you tell me?
I remember even in short summary also we got the same kind of questions with all the
Sorry.
statistical questions. Short
All
summary.
procs? No. That is different. You can't do it. Whatever you're getting here through proc univariate, you're not getting proc summary. Proc summary hardly even what
Got
you
all
can get.
cut off experience, all those.
That is you have to write. In proc summary you have to write. Kurtosis, okay. When you do proc,
Yeah,
that's it's not even you have
because
to write.
in the
Yeah,
short summary also we got all these results, right?
yeah, but you have to write it. Then when you write proc summary, you can write standard deviation, kurtosis, skewness you have to write. But here I just use only this one, proc univariate.
Okay. Deepan, can you do one thing? Can you just give postcard short summary also for the same? And let's see what is the result.
See, if I put slip, if I only proc sound will give you by default. Then
क्या सर?
proc summary I'm using. Okay.
अच्छा प्रॉक समझिए और ये तो ऑफलाइन हो गई
Huh?
भावना तो ऑफलाइन हो गई
Might be there is current, might be I don't know. So proc summary data has been print. Okay. I'm using variable like uh, age, height. Come on, see by default what will come. See by default will give you standard, minimum, maximum. This is number of observations. Fine. So
Then
these are difference. Yeah. So in order to get a cutoff is what if you squeeness,
No, Deepan, one more option we used, there also we got the same kind of result. I don't know if you know that.
no, this is only, see, here you can see squeenum curtosis only. You can find.
Yeah,
Fine?
yeah,
See, you only can squeenum curtosis. But when you use, so they ask me interviews, which function you are using in the interview, allocate statistics, they summarize all the result. That is proc univariate. Hello?
Somebody does that?
No, they ask in the interview, which function, or when you summarize a report of the analysis or history analysis, so which function we are using, you say that it is proc univariate. Okay? See now, here see, what we are getting from proc univariate first. One say random problem. Okay, fine. So first, uh, okay, it will give you the number of observation, mean standard deviation, skewness, uncorrected SS, coefficient variation, sum weight, sum observation, variation kurtosis, corrected SS, standard error mean. So here you can get the central. Here you can put the first in proc weight. We are getting a central tendency. What is central tendency here? Mean, median, and mode. Is it? This is central tendency, and we can get also what standard deviation. These are of measure of dispersion, standard deviation, variation, range, and this interquartile range. Okay. Now you are getting this t-test, prop t-test, p-valuation, everything. So here you can see this value also, and you can find a quantiles. That is first quantile means what? You can minus uh, Q3 to Q1. You can find external observation. So this is a box plot, okay, and this is to give you normality. This is, if you find a graph is like this, you can find a normality. So this is about,
yeah.
you can see the normality of a graph, okay. So proc innovate give each and everything. Now we have to understand each and every result. So what is the definition? What is factory SS? So for this, if you go and study the book, okay. And for one more thing, uh, you will see in the this part you will see in like no. This is a definition. What is kurtosis? Maximum value of skewness is 3. Kurtosis, I think there is I forgot actually. Okay, where is my graph? See, kurtosis value is minus. The skew is this. If skew is positive, then you can see the right tail will be long. Okay, this is right tail is longer than the left tail. See, it is longer,
Yeah.
isn't? That means people are invest in after this one, like this, you can analyze the data. For this is kurtosis means it's like to peak. Okay, there is little bit stiff, and this is the box plot you're getting. This I'll give you a definition. Okay, I'll send a note for this. Fine. So what is kurtosis? What are maximum value? For kurtosis, I think it's 3. Kurtosis spin is 3 maximum. Mm, So what if kurtosis is 0? It is become more symmetric. Fine. For kurtosis, and maximum value is 3 for spinach. So you have to, for this you have to know the hysterics part, and what is kurtosis, what is central tendency, what is
Yeah.
interquartile. You have to go and you have to study actually.
They might ask also live examples.
Uh-huh. See, uh, and one more thing you have seen some test report. Okay, here you can see set pro will W. So if number of observations is more than 2000, less than 2000, we are using this test, set pro will. Fine. And when the number of observations more than uh, 20,000 or 2000, we are using Kolmogorov, Esmeralda test, and Kramer von Mises and Anderson Darling test. These are we are using. Fine. If number of observations more than 2000, then we are using this all three tests. If less than 2000, we are using this Shapiro will. Okay, and probably value is always greater than 5%. This probably value. P value is also greater than 5%. Fine.
Yeah.
And so this is, I mean, we go into detail about this. What is median mode? You'll find, and I'll send you some notes. You'll put a note. Fine. Then you'll understand.
Okay.
Okay. So this is, see, if you see a graph like this, there is a normality between the,
Yeah.
I mean, there's a normal. So maybe you can say there's a no,
Probability graph.
yeah, there is no relation between the two variables. But here is only one variable, so it's a normal. So the test is normal. Fine. So we can do for multiple variables also. This for only one variable. If I use two variables, I just copy. Paste it here. I'm writing variable is height. So you can find separately for all this. They run the program. See, here you can see this is for age. You can find separately. This is for age is coming. After that, still getting for height, the same value. Isn't it? Okay? For same value, height also you can get. For you can put more than there also, you can get a variable is height, weight. Okay, you can do at a time. Suppose I want to do weight also. So it will give you all the report for all the variables. So this is clear now.
Yeah.
How to use proc in it? And result you have to see here. Even I don't know that much depth statistics. What
आपका
is
पढ़ा है हमें I'll be checking more examples and all from the net even and practicing.
haha
I'll be practicing again also and checking other more relevant examples also. It'll be better.
no, mainly depend upon the result. How is it? To write a coding is very easy. To proc in is very easy.
Actually, what you told, domain knowledge, they are asking a lot more questions.
If you go to this profile, you know about more level statistics. What is this? What is this? What is this test? What is this? When they are using? What is rank? What
Depending
is
on the
mode management?
experience, they are asking also banking related like
Hmm.
financial questions,
Yes,
coding
yes,
questions.
yes, exactly.
मतलब पता चल जाएगा ना कौन ओरिजिनल है कौन फेक है.
Mm-hmm. So this is all about proc inhibit again, please. Proc frequency.
Yeah.
That this is the main part. Tomorrow I'll go to proc details. I'll take you.
Okay.
Then yes, proc test.
Sir, what proc or
Proc core, proc regression, JLM and ANOVA. This is only this part is remain and rank is there. Okay, rank is there. Okay, proc rank. So by the way, tomorrow I'll finish I think this part, this part, or we'll do under 40 minutes. Okay, so we'll go to proc P test first. Hello, hello, hello.
hello?
So that is Rajesh is there already, no?
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
there.
Okay, so we'll go to the proc P test. So what is P test mainly? It is compared to two variable means. Okay, for the purpose of using proc P test, we compared between the two samples. Fine. So this proc details I'll take it tomorrow. Proc
Okay,
details
sir.
then. Because
Okay,
even
sir.
I have rank I'll finish right now. Rank is not like you have to do analysis because even
Okay, sir.
proc details I have to see how to interpret the result in database. Even I have to study the proc details.
Sir, but the purpose is to compare.
It's mainly compare two mean sample data, means of the two sample data. Okay, and how means is deviate will be tomorrow. So you so but we have to go
Okay,
through
sir.
this.
Click on that also.
Okay, I'll send the PPT also how you interpret the result. You go to the PPT for T test. Mainly
Okay.
profit is very important.
So
And
please send today's codes and that note also.
yeah, now you go to prop rank. This rank is nothing but to group the data, or you can rank for the rank to your data. Okay, I just prop rank data equal to fmeet. I'm using fmeet. So so I can put out equal to b x whatever x1. I can put the dataset name. I can make it four groups. I divide it four groups. Like you can make it four groups also of data. You can put groups equal to four, and you can make it scanning.
Presenting. Not okay.
Always put this can result.
Okay.
Again,
What group equal to 4? What does it mean by that?
four means it will create a four group. Okay,
Okay.
so I can put here weight or height whatever. So I can create one more variable ranks, and I can put r and run. So it will create a group of four. It will divide the data into four groups.
Okay.
So when I see the output x1 data set, and you can see it is divided into four groups. First group is taken as 0, the lowest one, then 1, then 2, then 3. Okay, it will divide into four groups. First
By
group is
rank,
0. Huh?
by ranking.
Sorry?
By rank, it is dividing into
Yeah,
two.
yeah, yeah. It's rank divided to four rank. Okay? Taken on the calculation. Fine, it will do calculation automatically by the system. Okay, for the rank. We assign the rank. Fine. Now, if I see, okay, I don't provide a scanning here. I don't want a scanning. I just want to do scanning. I don't know for scanning. Now I provide a rank. Let's see how it's. We don't provide group also. I'll provide rank according to height. Fine. So I just create this dataset times x2. So this x2 you can see here they provide a rank. Someone 7.5, 7.51, 21, last rank 15. You can find some round number 3.5. Some you can say
Yeah,
20.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
So I want to
They are
make
not
it.
even in group.
Yeah, I want to make it a round. How I can do it? Here I am using
Okay, you use group. That's why it was rounding, right?
Yeah.
Is it?
No. Here I am in to round this. I mean descending function first. Then I can use price to height. So now each number get a rank accordingly. So if you say x go, you can see okay. You can see a rank is assigned. Okay, maximum 20 observation 1. So you can find a rank 20, 21, 20. Fine. Fine. So this also you can do it. Okay. Understand? No. Hello.
Yeah.
These are how we use rank functions. Rank also you can use time ID put low also. So here same you'll get a same result.
Yeah.
In the same result. Fine. So
Yeah.
this is how we are using this. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is for the rank and the height. So the rank function we are using.
Okay.
And
Okay.
tomorrow we'll go with
Yeah.
say
Tomorrow, we'll go with this thing.
now
What do you?
suppose I want to see from here the fourth highest height. How we can do it? Tell me anyone. Rajesh, tell me.
Can you come again?
Suppose I want to see the uh, fourth highest height.
Fourth
Fourth
highest height.
position. Yeah. How can do it?
What do you say? What?
I want to see the fourth highest height.
Fourth
You can
highest.
put my group, right?
How?
Or using where statement.
I am asking. I want to see the fifth highest height, fifth number, with the fifth position according to height. How you can do it?
You can put rank, right?
Yeah, right. Fine.
If
Great.
you put rank, then you will get the rank in order wise, right?
Yes. You can get a
That
rank number here.
Very clever.
Yeah.
is it correct or not?
Yes,
Yeah.
it's going on. You're right.
But you can use the where statement, right? After using the proc rank.
Yeah.
Why is it? Okay.
Otherwise, yeah, am I right or sounds foolish?
No. You are wrong. See that. It's
My,
going right way.
Rajesh is right.
Yeah, right. Go ahead.
Yeah, you can use proc rank, and
Uh-huh.
you can create one more variable like you mentioned, like r underscore
Uh,
ht, right?
yes, it's one
So
variable.
there you'll have the list
So
of ranks,
now,
right?
okay, fine. Now we
And
can see
you
that.
put as
Uh,
descending or ascending.
mm-hmm.
From there you can find out the fifth one, which is the
Hmm.
highest rank.
No, he is telling only
No,
that particular,
see, this
the
rank,
fifth
this rank is
highest height should be mentioned.
rank is not in this scanning model.
Only that particular, right?
So how you
Yeah.
can do it?
So you're asking for a particular observation, right?
Particular whatever this might be
Hello.
in see there might be a height which is equal to same height is it?
Yeah.
There's no some particular
Okay.
so there's like fifth position like there might be 150, 150, 150. I want all the data.
So what you meant to say is that suppose Rajesh is in the fourth rank and you want only for Rajesh height or something like,
Yeah, and like in others
right?
like no others like there's various people like in the same height. Rather is
Okay.
150, your height is 150, my height is 150. I want the all means all height.
Okay.
I wanted this. I wanted this. How you can do it?
Okay.
How we can guide? It's very easy. If you create separate data set of proc string you can use. We already rank the data is it?
Okay. So data is equal to
Like
x3.
x3, but I'm using where options.
Yeah.
R h equal to what?
5.
5.
सर मैं नियरली तो यही बोला था सर.
तो कोच बोले बोल रहा है प्रोविजन नहीं दे रहा है ये क्या हो
नियरली तो वही
गया
कॉन्सेप्ट था. छोड़िए सर.
No, I think Deepan, there is no fifth rank.
I'm not in prop in data.
No, it's because see, if the rank you will have, the results will be like this. See, if you have two similar ranks, like you have two places where 14 is there. If the rank is like 5, you will not get the number 5. You'll get
Yeah.
like 5 and 5 in two places, something like that.
No, I don't think so. It's not like this.
Yeah, can you see the results for the previous one? Because there is no rank called 5. See this?
You can take the particular observation which is
Yeah.
the fifth.
It is there, no? That's true. See, this is coming. 7 to 7.
सर कल तो पढ़ाएंगे वो क्या मतलब is it into predictive modeling?
नहीं यार पीटी मोल में कहाँ पढ़ाऊंगा वो तो स्टेट्स का ही पार्ट है सर बेस्ट का ही पार्ट है वो ठीक है सर so this is how you can find but always go with high okay this clear now
Yeah, clear, Deepan.
okay let's done for the literature send a report this what do you repair is it so this is so we have more part in SAS states which will finish by tomorrow anyhow it finish by tomorrow so